has been ensuring safety and security of the medical professionals at work, but only recently there was yet another attack on doctors and nurses at the College of Medicine and Sagor Datta Hospital near Kolkata, following the death of a patient during treatment. 4 people who were detained in connection with the attack on the doctors and the nurses. The doctors who plan to resume their strike are saying that the state government has failed to build confidence among the protesting doctors, as per the directives given by the Supreme Court of India.
हम लोगों का पहला जो डिमांड था और मुद्दा था वो था अभय का विचार और जस्टिस। हम लोगों का डिमांड था जे अति वेरी क्विकली जो भी कल्प्रिट्स है उसको अरेस्ट किया जाए। एंड द्वितीय और 4th and 5th जो डिमांड था हम लोगों का जे जो हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी में हेल्थ सिस्टम में जो हो रहा है उससे सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी और थ्रेट कल्चर को लेकर हम लोग का डिमांड मांग था स्टेट प्रशासन के तरफ से। तो आज 8-10 दिन हो गए, अभी तक जो डायरेक्टिव चीफ सेक्रेटरी से मीटिंग से निकल के आया था उससे अभी तक कोई प्रेजेंटली विजिबली कोई रूप हम लोग नहीं देख पा रहे हैं।
Well, Shreya is with us right now. Shreya, as far as the protesting doctors are concerned, despite when it comes to the assurances coming from the state government and from the Supreme Court, they say that they will also resume their protests.
Well, of course, we see that the question is once again about the safety and security. Remember, the doctors in different medical colleges in Kolkata yesterday, they have laid a torch rally. Now, this is in protest of the RG Kar incident and also the incident that has happened in Sagor Datta Medical College. Remember, the doctors, the junior doctors came under attack after the death of a middle-aged patient. The patient's relative have attacked the doctors, and after that we see that a torch rally was carried out yesterday in Kolkata. Once again, they are asking that there is a safety and security concern, and they are saying that if the safety measures have been taken for the doctors, then how come the doctors are coming under attack once again? So, of course, we see that they are saying that they will look at the Supreme Court hearing and they will look at what steps the state government is taking to ensure safety and security. Otherwise, they can once again go back to strike and seize work.
All right. So that remains to be seen with today's hearing that will be taken up in the Supreme Court of the country. Thank you very much, Shreya, for joining in. Those are the developments that we are following up. We'll be also standing by for the updates that come in from today's Supreme Court hearing. With that, we head into a short break.